Hello, my name is Bobby Carmona. Today is September 29th, 2018. This is my week 4 video submission. I will be utilizing a skeleton model to talk about the 4 different types of bones. The human skeleton has a number of functions such as protecting and supporting weight. There are different shapes related to their particular function. Today I'll be talking about 4 of them, which are the flat, long, short, and irregular. To begin off, I have the flat bones, which are some examples being the skull, which are comprised of the occipital, parietal, frontal, nasal, lacrimal, and vomer. The thoracic cage, which is comprised of the sternum and ribs, are examples of flat bones, as well as the pelvis, which is comprised of the ilium, ischium, and pubis. These function to protect the internal organs such as the brain, heart, and pelvic organs. They are somewhat flattened and they can provide protection like a shield. Flat bones can also provide large areas of attachment for muscles. The next one, the examples, is the long bones. They are longer than they are wide, and a perfect example of this would be the femur, which is the longest bone in the body, as well as relatively small bones in the fingers, like the phalanges. Long bones function to support the weight of the body and facilitate movement. They are mostly located in the appendicular skeleton, or the lower sections of the body, and include the lower limbs such as the tibia and fibula, the metatarsals and the phalanges, as well as the upper limbs as the humerus, radius, and ulna, the metacarpals, and other phalanges. Next are the short bones, which are more cube-shaped. These are located in the wrist and the ankles. They provide stability and some movement. The carpals in the wrist, such as the scaphoid, lunate, and the hamate, and the tarsals in the ankles, such as the calcaneus and the talus, are examples of short bones. Lastly, the irregular bones vary in shape and structure, and they do not fit in other categories such as the flat, short, or long. They often have a very complex shape. For example, the vertebrae column, as well as the back part of the vertebrae, or the sacrum. They are used to protect internal organs. And lastly, as much as it wasn't discussed, there is a 5th one, which is a sesamoid, which is also the patella. This is the last part of the video for submission. Thank you for watching.